nahalal na Pangulo ng Pambansang Katipunan ng Kabataang Barangay o National President. Ngayon, ako po naman sa nakaraang mga taon, I am a proud facilitator of our organization since we started 2016. After Ilocos Norte with Dado Mahicos and the rest of Mindanao Group, we decided we should create the alumni organization. So we started with Mindanao. And since then, ang Mindanao natin under the leadership, I want to acknowledge Dado Mahicos, our chairman of Mindanao Group. Since then, consistently on a yearly basis, nagdadalawang meeting, assembly meeting ng Mindanao Group since then. Every December and March sa Davao, sa resort ni Dado. And then came the organization of Metro Manila, which also almost covers the Luzon area, under the leadership naman of Mr. Nas Gutierrez, our KP, former Manila KP President. Kaway-kaway naman dyan, kapatid. Also, consistently ay tumatakbo tayo. Hindi lamang itong ating annual Grand Reunion, and of course, pasalamat nating lahat dyan. Machi, Josana Figueroa, Machi, kaway-kaway naman dyan. And of course, ang ating Visayas, Doris Asanga. Ayan, ating Doris, ayan, ang ating Visayas group ay organized na rin. So tayo naman lahat ay sa nakaraang mga taon, ay ako, ang kayabangan mo dyan I am one of the facilitator, o isa ka sa nagsusulong, nangungulit, na successful naman. And lastly, meron po tayong North America Kabataang Barangay Foundation na nagkaroon ng third Grand Reunion ng North America, na dumating dyan silipat kinukulit ko rin si Henry. Punta ka naman dito. Pumunta na Chicago, si Henry. Ay, makasama at I would like to acknowledge Jay Mabilog, our former mayor of Lapu-Lapu City. Andito sa atin siya ngayon. Iloilo. I'm sorry. Dalawa lang pala dito. Tatlo. So, apat lang dito na who attended the Chicago. Yan ang third natin sa US. So, just letting you know, guys, that we are very much alive and organized. And nakakalungkot lang. Ano pa? One more right there. Oo, kapatid. So, lima na tayo dito. Who attended the Chicago? Medyo malayo-layo. Natutuwa ako. Kapatid na Henry, salamat. Hindi mo kayo binigo.